Nuts are seed kernels that are widely used in cooking or eaten on their own as a snack. They're high in fat and calories. Eating nuts every day as part of a balanced diet can be great for your health. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. 1. Loaded with antioxidants. Nuts are antioxidant powerhouses. Antioxidants, including the polyphenols in nuts, can combat oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals, unstable molecules that may cause cell damage, and increase disease risk. 3. Trusted source. Though they're considered a high-calorie food, research suggests that nuts may help you lose weight. One large study assessing the effects of the Mediterranean diet found that people assigned to eat nuts lost an average of 2 inches, 5 centimeters from their waists, significantly. 3. A great source of many nutrients. Nuts are highly nutritious. 1 ounce 28 grams of mixed nuts, beneficial for type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Several studies have shown that blood sugar, blood pressure, and other health markers improve when people with type 2 diabetes and metabolic syndrome include nuts in their diet. Supports heart health. Including nuts in your diet has been associated with improved heart health. This is because consuming nuts helps maintain the health of the lining of the arteries, balances cholesterol, and reduces the buildup of deposits called plaques, while also lowering the risk of blood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. If there is any point that you like, please share it with us in the comments section.